Hey guys, it's Mr. AJ's Tech here. Today I got a review of Dreamboard for the iPad. So here we have my iPad 2 and I'm going to be showing you Dreamboard. So Dreamboard is a Cydia tweak / application, and it's kind of like Winterboard but allows for more intense theming. So I'm going to go right into the application, and by the way, you can get this in the modmyi repo for free. It used to be paid because it was kind of like the beta and the beginning and everything, and they wanted to generate a little bit of funds for the actual project. But now it is free in modmyi, and it's actually a really great application. So here we have the application itself. It opens up and you can see the different themes you have here, and you actually have this little preview. So the themes are dependent on the developer. You just like with Winterboard, you can download them right to your iPad through Cydia, the Cydia store. So I'm going to be showing you two iPad themes. As of right now, there's only two decent iPad themes out for Dreamboard. So as there are plenty of Dreamboard themes out for the iPhone, most people know about that, but I'm going to be showing the iPad theme because someone actually requested it. So first I'm going to be showing you Boxer HD, which is actually a paid Dreamboard theme, but I don't think it's advanced enough to actually be paid. So here we have it. It tells, as soon as you go right into it, it tells you to rotate your iPad. As I said, it's not really ready for to be really paid. So you can see right here, rotate your iPad, and if you click OK, you'll be in the portrait orientation, which, don't get me wrong, the theme is great, but it still has a lot of bugs, and it actually does need a little bit of fixing up. As you can see, there's all these spaces. It doesn't allow editing, so it's very buggy, but it still is really cool and it allows an awesome interface. So if we go ahead and lock, that's another thing, they didn't modify the lock screen yet for it. So that's that. But on the iPhone, they actually have custom lock screens. But it is cool because this is fully set up. You don't have to go through Winterboard, then set up your grid lock, set up your quick jumps, all that stuff. It's already set up. So we go into Safari, Safari loads up. We go into YouTube, YouTube loads up. Pretty standard. You can see all the apps, and you can actually pin your own apps. Although the settings are a little buggy right now and they're not working too well. But you can see that you can set your own wither. You can also change the wallpaper, just like that. And to go back, we just click on these settings. So it is cool to see that, and we got the weather up there. And you can see that this does change when you have a different weather or place. So the thing that really throws me off of this theme, it is great, but of course Dreamboard does kill your battery, and the fact that you have to tell it to rotate then turn your device, it's kind of like pointless, because the whole point is to have the rotation in the iPad. So it is really cool, and but there definitely needs some tweaks in this theme. So if we go back in Portrait, we have to hit the rotate again. So the next theme I'm going to be showing you is the Android theme for iPad, and this theme is actually worse in sense of bugs, but it is still pretty cool, and it definitely needs to work, but it is cool and it works on the iPad. So here we go. You can see right here we got the main applications right there. Backboard is pinned center, and if we click this, it'll bring up all applications right there, which is actually really cool and looks cool on the iPad with all the applications right there. So definitely cool. You can see that this Facebook right here is really buggy. It's not working very well. So it's definitely needs some work, but the Dreamboard on the iPad definitely has potential, and it's definitely worth it because it is free, and definitely go give it a download. And then if you get bored, just go right back to default. And there you go, you're back at your normal Winterboard. So you never have to set anything off of Winterboard, which is actually really great. So just go again one more time, we go back in it, Boxer HD, probably the best one out for the iPad right now, but it still definitely needs some work. So I hope you like this video walking you through Dreamboard for the iPad too, and I hope you like the iPad jailbreak tweaks lately, because I have my iPad jailbroken and my iPhone 4 on 5.0, so I like to vary the videos up from all 5.0 stuff, and yeah. So tell me what you think of the new videos and also the sound quality. I am using my new microphone from iRig, so if you want the review on that, that's down below. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.